Hey there, superstar. First of all, a huge congratulations to you. The way you've built your presence, your brand, and your tribe online, it's nothing short of phenomenal. Whether you're a content creator, a social media influencer with huge followers, community builder with minimal followers, or a casual social media user sharing moments with friends and family, you have one thing in common. You lead, you influence, you move people, and most importantly, you've connected with people. But let's get real for a moment. Your biggest asset? It's your followers. They are your digital family, the heartbeat of your success. But here's the truth that no one tells you. Social media algorithms change, audiences shift, platforms rise and fall. Your viewership can decline due to algorithm updates, content fatigue, changing trends, increased competition, or simply people moving on. So here's the question every smart influencer must ask. What if your audience engagement drops tomorrow? What's your plan B? It's time you capitalize on your followers, not just for likes and shares, but to build a long-lasting income, one that works even when you don't. And the solution is passive income. Passive income means you earn even after your effort goes down. The best way to achieve this while leveraging your existing brand and followers is through a trusted direct selling system. No huge investment, no major risk, no disruption to your current content flow, just smart integration with your existing influence. You already recommend products, clothes, gadgets, food, supplements every single day. But what if you got paid for it, not just once, but every time your followers use them again and again? Even better, what if you could offer your interested followers a way to earn from it too? That's not just influence, that's leadership. You're not just promoting, you're empowering your community with something far greater. A genuine beneficial product and life-changing income opportunity. And that's exactly what DXN is all about. DXN isn't a buzzword. It's not a trend. It's a movement built over 30 years across 180 plus countries with a mission that goes beyond profit into purpose. This isn't just another brand trying to ride the wave. This is a public listed global wellness giant with daily use products that people don't just buy once. They buy again and again. And what makes DXN even more powerful? Its international presence and global community are proof that DXN is adaptable, sustainable, and built on simplicity. It's a model that works because people believe in it. So, how do you start? Register with DXN. It takes just minutes. Use what you love: wellness, beauty, beverages, daily essentials. Share it authentically with your followers. Help others grow, and your income grows with them automatically, exponentially. Because DXN isn't just about income, it's about impact. It's about prestige. It's about building a lifestyle most people only dream of. As DXN allow its successful partners to access all its international facility,
which includes DXN Cyberville.
the futuristic Global HQ in Malaysia is one of the largest and most advanced headquarters in direct selling history. A private island in Langkawi, owned by DXN, is a reward, a retreat, a celebration of distributor success. And yes, there is even a private DXN jet for top achievers. Because when you rise high, you don't fly economy, you fly elite. DXN's presence around the world